What is it?
Banana bread.
Banana bread?
Yeah.
Who made it?
Mommy did it.
She did it?
Yeah.
Did she do a good job?
Huh?
My banana bread.
Hey.
Hey, my banana bread.
Hey, Nana, my Nana bread. I'm Jack.
Huh? Daddy's getting some daddy juice.
Huh?
Daddy's getting daddy juice.
Huh?
Say thank you, Melanie.
Ada.
All done?
Say thank you, Melanie.
Ada.
Go, thank you, sister.
Did you say thank you?
Yeah.
No, say thank you.
Take her.
You're welcome. Not yet.
No, wait.
Not yet. We gotta wait till we scrape it all off. Hold on.
Mischievous.
Hey.
You say, Mom, meatloaf.
Mommy, what I say?
What is that?
Mommy said what I say.
Oh.
Mom, meatloaf.
What are you doing? Are you eating roast beef? You're so goofy. Say, I love roast beef.
Oh, mama.
Say, I love roast beef. No? Yes.